It's like a bubble.
And Ate Tess.
Yes, come on.
Ate Tess, would you like to...
Si Tito Tess muna, maybe. Tito Tess, would you like to something else? Say something. Hey!
Kaya nito.
Tito Vic.
May pababo?
Tito Vic, I want you. Would you make your wish first? Already?
I got my wish already. My wish, I got it tonight. So thank you, thank you, thank you. Thank you very much, guys. Appreciate it.
Hello, Yanos! Happy birthday! Stay fabulous, stay moving. And of course, we want to say thank you to everybody for being awesome.
Thank you very much, everybody. So we still have a second set taking over.
Yes, again, we still have food, guys, and drinks. Enjoy the food, the drinks, and of course, the rest of the night. Again, happy 17th birthday to Tito. Yes, 70th